Hi guys, it's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to set multiple custom pages on Google Chrome when you actually open up Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, we need to open up our Google Chrome browser. And you'll see at the moment when I've opened that, that's just come up with the default new tab option. So what I'm going to do is open up some new tabs and just open up a couple of websites I want to save as my default. So every time I open up Google Chrome, it's going to open up these websites automatically. So I'm just going to go and open up YouTube and Facebook. I'm going to change this to google.com. And what you need to do from here is just go and click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you want to come down and click onto settings. And from here, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click onto this one here, which says on startup. And you'll be presented with three options. From here, you need to select this option here, which says open a specific page or set of pages. And you'll see it's got the three websites, the three tabs I've got open. So Google, YouTube, and Facebook. And that will set it now. So every time I open up Google Chrome, it's going to open up these three websites by default. If you want to remove any of these at any point in the future, all you need to do is come back to this page and click the three dots next to the website you want to remove. And then just go ahead and hit the remove button. And also, if you want to add any new pages at all you need to do is click this option here, which says add a new page. But you'll now see when I close down Google Chrome and go ahead and open it again, by default, there are now three websites that I selected, which are now opening automatically, which is Google, YouTube, and Facebook. And if you can remember before, when I first loaded up Google Chrome, it was literally just coming up with the default new tab option. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. And if you want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below, where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.